Someone I thought I would never have to let go was my best friend. I am well aware that some friendships don't last a lifetime, but I never knew people could change so much. Growing apart and losing someone so close to you is heartbreaking. We met in 2007, our 6th grade year, but it wasn't until 7th grade that we became best friends. We hung out all the time, had sleepovers, shared secrets, and went to school together. Although we spent pretty much all of our time together, we still knew when to give each other space. We communicated very well, and we had lots of trust and respect for each other. We always stuck together. It was us against the world. High school came, and unlike most of our friends, we didn't separate. We both decided to attend Edward M. Kennedy Academy for Health Careers. On the first day of freshman year, we found out that we were in the same homeroom. We were really excited because we were extremely close, and we both felt lucky that we had someone to trust. It was a relief that I didn't have to go into high school alone. Yet, when we were forced to be together at EMK, that took the joy and fun out of our friendship, and it broke us apart. Our friendship began to get unhealthy because always having her around began to get overwhelming. It was like I didn't even have my own identity. Towards the middle of freshman year, we started having a lot of disagreements. Our personalities changed and we didn't click anymore. All of a sudden, we didn't like doing the same activities or even hanging around the same people. We both noticed these changes and came to the conclusion that we weren't best friends anymore. I thought we were almost the perfect example of best friends, so losing her made me realize that I didn't even know what a best friend was. I felt betrayed and used. I was hurt and upset. I didn't have anyone to tell my true feelings to, no one to listen to me. I didn't understand why this was happening to me, and I didn't know what to do next. I didn't let anyone know how I was feeling because my trust in people was gone. I struggled to communicate. It seemed like everything I said was wrong. I walked around like everything was fine, but deep inside, I felt like I wasn't good enough to be a best friend. Over time, I realized that I couldn't put my life on hold because of someone else. I had to find myself and be there for me, which was hard because I was so used to having her by my side. It was time for me to grow up and be independent. I opened a new chapter in my life. When I finally came to the realization that I needed to move on, I was a little bit confused because I wasn't sure how to feel, but I was also very proud of myself for becoming myself. Coming into Girls Leap also helped me a lot. I built new friendships from day one. Along with new friendships, I also improved the friendships that I already had. I learned how to look at different relationships in my life from new perspectives. I also learned that making connections with people is important in life. Being closed-minded is one of my biggest challenges. Girls Leap pushed me out of my comfort zone sometimes, but being here makes me feel safe to take on this challenge and open up. I know that my voice is going to be heard and that my opinion actually matters. Since losing my best friend, I have grown into a stronger person. I have learned how to make new friends and meet new people by myself. I have also matured because I figured out that I can depend on both others and myself. Now I know how to deal with conflicts in my relationships. I have become a better friend to others and a better person for myself.